Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where we bring you detailed, honest, and enthusiast-focused car reviews. In today's video, we are taking a close look at a true performance icon from BMW. A BMW M model finished in a striking body color combined with a bold black hood. This combination instantly gives the car an aggressive, motorsport-inspired personality that perfectly represents what the M division stands for. This car is all about power, precision, and driving emotion, so make sure you stay with me till the end of this full review. The moment you see this BMW M, it makes a strong first impression. The contrast between the main body color and the black hood looks aggressive and purposeful, almost like a track-ready machine straight from the factory. From the front, the car looks wide, low, and extremely confident. The signature BMW kidney grille sits proudly at the center, finished in a dark or gloss black style that enhances the sporty look. The headlights are sharp and modern, featuring advanced LED or laser technology that gives the car a focused and intimidating expression. The front bumper is sculpted with large air intakes, clearly designed to feed air to the engine and brakes, while improving aerodynamics. The black hood is not just about style. It gives the car a race-inspired appearance and visually lowers the front end, making it look even more aggressive on the road. As you move towards the rear of the car, the BMW M continues to impress with its muscular design. The side profile shows strong character lines, flared wheel arches, and large M-specific alloy wheels that perfectly fill the arches. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires, hinting at the serious grip this car offers. At the back, the design becomes even more powerful and sporty. The rear bumper is bold, with an aggressive diffuser and quad exhaust tips that instantly tell you this is not a regular BMW. The exhaust note, especially on startup, is deep and thrilling. Adding to the emotional experience, the rear lights are sleek and modern, and the overall stance of the car looks planted and ready to launch at any moment. Stepping inside the BMW, you are welcomed into a cabin that perfectly blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The seats are sporty and supportive, designed to hold you firmly during spirited driving while still being comfortable for daily use. High-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum are used throughout the interior, giving it a premium yet performance-focused feel. The steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and features M branding, with controls that allow the driver to adjust driving modes easily. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are modern, responsive, and packed with performance data, including engine information, lap timers, and driving settings. The interior feels driver-focused, making you feel connected to the car the moment you sit behind the wheel. When it comes to performance, this is where the BMW M truly shines. Under the hood lies a powerful engine. Whether it's a turbocharged inline-six or a V8, depending on the specific M model, the acceleration is strong and immediate, pushing you back into your seat as soon as you press the throttle. The engine delivers power smoothly but aggressively, and the exhaust sound adds excitement to every drive. The suspension is tuned for performance, offering sharp handling and excellent control through corners while still being usable on public roads. With advanced driving modes, you can switch between comfortable daily driving and full performance mode, transforming the car's character instantly. Talking about pricing, BMW M cars are positioned as premium performance vehicles. The price depends on the specific M model and options, but it generally sits in the higher range compared to standard BMW models. However, what you get in return is a complete package of performance, luxury, and brand value. This car offers excellent value for those who want a high-performance machine that can be driven every day without sacrificing comfort. My suggestion for anyone considering a BMW M with a black hood is simple. If you love driving, performance, and aggressive styling, this car is absolutely worth it. The black hood adds a unique and sporty touch that makes the car stand out, especially for enthusiasts who appreciate motorsport-inspired design. This is a car that can handle daily commutes, long drives, and track days with equal confidence. To wrap up today's review, the BMW M with a black hood is a perfect example of how performance and style can come together in one package. From its aggressive exterior and premium interior to its powerful performance and thrilling driving experience, This car truly lives up to the M badge. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Updated, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting car review.